Welcome back. If you've been following some of the stuff we've been doing, you will have already seen a quite nice XT500 that we've recommissioned, got running, which is going to be up for sale soon, as we've got it registered. We're in the UK, so if you're interested, message us. And then also a Honda XL185 from 79, which also we've got up and running, and that is also about to get registered, get a dating certificate, get it registered, and that will be up for sale as well. But what we've got here is an absolutely lovely XL500s. So this was restored by the previous owner, and there's so far looking round it, there's nothing I can fault. I mean, I don't think it's even been used. Look, there's nothing under there dirt-wise. It is in really good condition, an excellent restoration, I would say. Mind you, I didn't see what it started like. It could have been pretty good in the first place, but I do like this, and the colour scheme. If we can get this in the light, that really pops. That's kind of a little metallic. It's got a little bit of purpley to it. It's fantastic. So we'll get this out the van. We'll show unloading it, and we'll do a proper walk around. So stay with us. As you can see, paintwork is immaculate. A little bit of dust, but what condition. Clock's all okay, showing 42,000, but that's kind of irrelevant on a restoration like this. I mean, look, absolutely spotless. I mean, you could say concours. There's a few little kind of little rusty nuts and bolts here, which just brings it down a little bit. But a couple of little stainless fasteners on that will sort that. Yeah. So I'm going to be doing all the usual checks, get this running, and then get it registered in the UK. And this also will be coming up for sale. So again, express your interest if you're interested in this. I'm not going to sell this one cheap. This is absolutely fantastic. It is top notch and so much better than anything else that's on the market. I mean, look. Well, first and simple things. Let's just check the oil. Rag. Ooh. Clean as a whistle. Though, not sure it's got enough in it. Let's just lean it over. Yeah. So clean you can hardly see it on the dipstick. Yeah, there's plenty in that. Do you know what? I'm not even going to check for spark. It's got oil in it. Essential. I know it's got some fuel in it. I'm not sure how old it is. Let's just give it a try. I've never had that happen before. This has been sat for months, and first time, so pleased. Okay, I'll give a few things a check over, make sure all cables are all okay, brakes work, stuff like that. I've checked around most of the bike. The only things that I can find wrong with it when I do give it a bit of a kick over, these have an auto decompress lever, which kind of works off the kickstart, this one here. So it hits top dead center, or top maximum compression, and it doesn't seem to be releasing it. So I've adjusted that a little bit just up on the upper adjustment in here. So I'll try that out again in a minute and just see if it does kind of release it when you get to that. And you can see it kind of, right, I'm at top dead center now. There we go. There we go. Right. Yeah, doesn't want to let me over that point. And the only other thing that I can find at the moment is the choke lever cable is not set up right. So there's, but apart from that, nothing else I can tell that needs attention right now. So what have we got here? No, all seems good. So we'll, it's got fuel in it. We'll sort out those couple of bits, especially the choke. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to need choke. It's warm here at the moment, but we'll sort out that cable. So I need to probably pop the tank, or at least the seat off, so I can get to the top of the carb and just see where that's all connected. If it's a top or if it's a lever on the side. Can't quite see from here. Looks like it might be a lever. I can also see a idle adjustment screw under there as well. Difficult to see. Yeah, let's go over those. So underneath the left-hand side cover, air filter, which looks as though whoever did this has done the same as me. Decent bit of foam, bit of glue around it. It's a really quick way of just replacing air filters. Nothing wrong with that. Good job. And then we'll take a walk round to the other side. So this is the battery side. So we've got a small, what do we got in there? So a 6 volt 1.2 amp battery, which currently isn't connected. And these run without a battery anyway. So I'll put a meter across that, see what life that's got in it. If it hasn't been connected, I kind of hope it's all right. Looks like I might have fabricated a carrier for this. Yeah, so all looking good so far. What I have noticed is this is a new ignition lock, or a barrel in this, probably a full lock. These keys aren't standard. This is like an aftermarket key for them. Usually I think they're referred to as a T model or something like that. They usually have a little pointed shape at the end of them. But what I've noticed is that also doesn't fit under here. Where is it? There we go. We've got a helmet lock. This is for the original style key in there. So unless I actually know what the number of the key is, then that's probably the only thing that doesn't work on this, the helmet lock.